5 brands, 5 promises. One mission to find the true king of automated cleaning. We didn't just run them, we sabotaged them. Cereal, pet hair, even motor oil. What we discovered wasn't just about suction. One model learned the layout of our test lab in minutes, another failed catastrophically, and a third did something so unexpected it changed how we test forever. This isn't a list, this is a showdown, and the results will shock you. Starting at number 1. Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum with Clean Base. Shark's AI Robot Vacuum, of which there are many models with small differences between them, ticks all of the boxes that a mid-range machine should. It offers reliable cleaning performance, its mobile app is easy to use, and it produces accurate home maps. On top of that, its auto-empty base is bagless, which means you won't have to spend money on extra bags every few months. Setting up the Shark is as simple as taking it and its base out of the box, plugging the base in and downloading the companion mobile app to finish things up. The machine connects to Wi-Fi, allowing you to control it via the app when you're not at home, or using Google Assistant and Alexa voice control. The first journey the Shark makes is an explore run, during which it produces a map of your home that you can then edit from the mobile app. The Shark produced a pretty accurate floor plan of my home, and I was happy to see a re-explore option that I could use if the map wasn't up to my standards. With a completed map, you're then asked to label rooms in your home. That way, you can send the Shark to only the bedroom for more direct cleaning jobs, select no-go zones, and more. The first few times I ran the Shark robot, I had it clean my whole home. It boasts a respectable run time of up to 120 minutes, which will be handy for bigger homes. I was impressed by how quiet it was, or rather, how much quieter it was compared to other RoboVacs I've tried. You'll have to turn up the volume on your TV if it's cleaning in the same room, but it'll be hard to hear when it's sucking up debris down the hallway. Number 2. Shark PowerDetect NeverTouch Pro Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. This Shark machine has a mop pad that lives on its underside and will deploy it when cleaning tile, wood, and other similar floors. You as the user, during the initial setup process, will indicate in your home map where you have hard floors and when you have carpet. It's not as automated as some other robot vacuums with mopping capabilities, but it's just one additional step that you should only have to do one time. When I tested the PowerDetect, I found that it had a very easy setup process, just like all of the other Shark robot vacuums I've tried, and it took very little time to putter around the main floor of my house to get an initial home map reading. After that, you can choose if you want the machine to vacuum, mop, or do both, in which case it will first vacuum the floors and then mop those freshly cleaned surfaces. Aside from the fact that it took the RoboVac a long time to fill up its tank before mopping, a minute or two longer than I expected, it did a nice job cleaning my mix of hardwood and tile floors. I also never had to untangle it from a messy situation, be it rogue charging cables on the floor or a steep lip on the legs of my coffee table. While I spent most of my time manually dictating cleaning jobs for the PowerDetect, you can set regular cleaning schedules using the modes you prefer, or tell the machine to only clean certain rooms at specific times. Shark didn't pull the NeverTouch Pro base's name out of thin air either. After initial setup, you really don't have to touch the base until you need to empty or refill it in some way, empty its debris container or refill its reservoir with water and cleaning solution. Shark claims the base can hold up to 60 days worth of vacuum debris, which is pretty standard for a machine like this, and it can hold 30 days worth of liquid refill. That means you should be able to run the PowerDetect for at least a month before you have to interact with its base, great for those who hate floor chores, or just don't have the time to baby a new gadget in their home. Number 3. Dyson 360 Vis Nav. Dyson may have been late to the RoboVac party, but it made a remarkable machine with the 360 Vis Nav. Let's get this out of the way at the top. This is a $1,000 robot vacuum cleaner that doesn't have mopping abilities or a self-emptying base. Those factors alone make it less versatile and more cost-prohibitive than our other top picks, but two of its features make it worth a shout here: its suction power and obstacle avoidance capabilities. The Dyson 360 Vis Nav has the strongest suction power of any robot vacuum I've tested. It's certainly the closest you'll get to using one of the company's cordless stick vacs. It sucked up an impressive amount of pet hair from my carpeted floors, and I didn't even get a bin full alert after the fact. Dog hair can be really tricky to pull up from carpets, but it appears this hands-free cleaning machine can handle it all. Obstacle avoidance is impressive as well, thanks in part to the machine's 360-degree vision system that uses a camera and LED lights to navigate around things like furniture and map out your home. No RoboVac I've used has been able to fully avoid crashing into a chair leg now and again, and the 360 Vis Nav is no exception, but it did so only a couple of times. More importantly, I never got an alert that the robot was stuck or got tangled up with a rogue charging cord and needed human assistance to get it back on track. In many ways, the Dyson 360 Vis Nav distills a robot vacuum down to its essence. It's really good at sucking up dirt and debris on its own, with little to no interaction with humans needed, after initial setup, of course. Some people will be willing to spend a pretty penny on that, but in a saturated market like that of robot vacuums, you can get a lot more for your money. Number 4. iRobot Roomba Vac Robot Vacuum. The iRobot Roomba Vac Robot Vacuum is a good affordable option for most people thanks to its good cleaning power and easy-to-use mobile app. We won't get too deep into it here since we have a whole guide to cheap robot vacuums with additional recommendations. But suffice to say, the Roomba Vac gives you all the essentials you'd expect from a robot vacuum, along with all of the convenience that comes with iRobot's mobile app. Number 5. Anker Eufy E20 3-in-1 Robot Vacuum. Anker's Eufy home brand made a first-of-its-kind machine with the E20 robot vacuum that, surprisingly, doesn't succumb to too many of the pitfalls that a first-gen device typically does. The E20 comes as a robot vacuum with a self-emptying base, and also included in the box are the attachments to turn it into a cordless stick vacuum and a handheld vac. Just pop out the cleaning module from the Roomba Vac, snap in your attachments and get all of the conveniences of a cordless vacuum without spending, potentially, double to buy a second device. Perhaps unsurprisingly, the E20 excels as a robot vacuum. Eufy has made a number of solid RoboVacs over the years, and the E20 is no exception, dutifully sucking up dirt, debris, and pet hair as it putters around your home. In my testing, it rarely got stuck on household objects like door mats, and it has good obstacle avoidance. I also appreciate that it's smart enough to know when its built-in dustbin is getting full, and it will return to its base to empty it periodically as it cleans. As a cordless stick vacuum, it's just okay. You'll need to keep it on the highest suction mode to get the deepest clean, and the build quality feels a little cheap. But its small profile will make it easy for anyone to use, and to take it out to your car for a quick cleanup, and it doesn't choke at the first sign of pet hair. A device like this could be exactly what some have been hoping for, a solid robot vacuum that can clean for you most of the time, but also lets you manually clean hard-to-reach spots when necessary. So there it is. The brutal truth: the winner wasn't the most expensive but the smartest if you're ready to never worry about floors again. All links to purchase with our exclusive discount codes are waiting for you in the video description. Did we get it right? Let us know in the comments which robot you trust. If this no-holds-barred test helped you, share this video with someone drowning in dust and pet hair, and subscribe and hit the bell, because next week we're pitting the winner against the professional cleaner with a decade of experience.